Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to review an Overwatch case in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client, and then on the left side of your screen, under your profile, you'll see an option called Overwatch Case. Right next to it, there'll be a button called Review Case. Click on it. As you can see, I've already downloaded this replay, but if you have it, there'll be an option called Download right over here. Click on it, and once it's downloaded, click on Review Case. And once you're in, check if the alleged person is guilty or not and give your verdict. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!